How to create a WeChat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to create a WeChat account. Watch the video till the end. And without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to download and install WeChat applications and then tap open button to access WeChat. Now you'll reach on this page of WeChat where at the top right you can tap language and then you can easily choose your preferred language. Come back and to create account, tap sign up button at bottom right. Here you will get the two options to sign up via mobile or Facebook. So let's choose mobile. Now enter your credentials like your name, region or country, and phone number and your password. And you need to check mark the small circle like icon at bottom left to accept the WeChat terms of service and select accept and continue. Now these are all the WeChat privacy policy. Go through this and tap on the circle icon to acknowledge the privacy policy and select the next button. Tap on start to security verification and you can see that we have successfully created account on WeChat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.